In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pick up your Walmart order efficiently and hassle-free. Whether you're a first-time user or a regular shopper, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. Let's dive in. First, head over to Walmart's website. It's your digital gateway to a world of products, and it's as simple as typing walmart.com into your browser. Once you've arrived at the site, you'll be greeted with special deals, promotions, and a vast array of products that likely cater to all your needs. If you're already there, let's proceed to select the product you're looking to purchase. You can do this by using the search bar at the top, or you can browse through categories if you're in the mood to explore. After you've decided on the item you want, your next move is to understand the different fulfillment options available. Walmart offers several choices, including shipping to your home, delivery with a time frame, and our focus today, the pickup option. For those who prefer picking up their purchases, this is a great way to save on shipping fees and get your items at your convenience. Once you click on your desired product, take a moment to glance through the options presented. Here, you'll notice the pickup option among the delivery methods. Don't rush through this step. Make sure to select pickup to ensure your order is prepared at your local Walmart store or the location that is most convenient for you. With your pickup option selected, it's time to move your product to the cart. This is as simple as clicking Add to Cart. You might want to review your cart afterward, especially if you're purchasing multiple items, to ensure everything you need is accounted for. After your cart is finalized, proceed to checkout. Here, you might need to sign into your Walmart account if you haven't already done so. During checkout, you'll choose a pickup date and time that suits your schedule. This flexibility allows you to synchronize the pickup with your day's plan seamlessly. Finally, after you've completed your purchase and received your confirmation email, remember to check your emails periodically or download the Walmart app if you haven't. This way, you can stay updated on any notifications regarding your pickup order, including when it's ready. When it's time for the pickup, drive to the designated location, follow the clearly marked signs, and park in one of the reserved spaces. Use the app or follow the instructions in your confirmation email to inform Walmart associates that you've arrived. They'll quickly bring your order to your car, and you can be on your way in no time, shopping without stepping foot in the store. I hope this guide makes your next Walmart pickup smooth and enjoyable. Thanks for joining this tutorial, and happy shopping.